Okay. Are we on 3, you guys?
Yes.
Okay. So, on example 3,
Oh, yeah.
crap. You guys made a list, right? There was a whole bunch of things that you had to do and you had to fix before you could even do the problem at all, right? So let's talk about the very first thing. You walk into class. You go pick up your calculator. What do you have to do now?
Do your bell work?
Change
down. You sure it's in degrees?
Which is it?
Sign in.
Radians or?
Oh, degrees.
Okay, I talked about this. What do you have to do?
Go to radius.
Change the setting.
To what?
0 to 36.
Which is it? I told you guys write this stuff down.
Radius. Yeah. No, degrees.
Always on degrees.
Always on degrees.
Even
So
if
I
it's-
told you guys to write this down. Everyone has to be in degrees. This trick that I'm showing you guys, it has to be in degrees. Once you're done and you get your answer in degrees, what do you do from there? Convert it to radian.
Only if it's telling you to convert it back.
Okay, so now, this problem right here, is it asking for my answer in radian?
Yeah.
It is. So, let's go through. So I'm going to find it in degrees and then convert to radian.
We already did this, Mr. Patrick.
I thought we did, but other people say I didn't.
Oh, we did?
We did do it?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll do it again just for the sake of. So what's the problem say? Tangent, right? X
Squared X.
squared, right?
Yeah. Squared X.
Okay, so what am I missing here?
Squared.
Degrees.
Degrees
Squared on the outside.
squared on the outside. So it's almost like I'm telling you guys to write this in your notes because otherwise you're going to screw it up. And once it comes test time, I'm going to say,
Oh well.
ain't my problem. So what goes next? Plus sign, right? Or is it minus?
Right.
Plus
Plus
tangent, right? X degrees
minus 2.
minus what?
Minus 2.
Minus 2. There we go. So hit that enter. If you notice right here on mine, it's already set up, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so my answer was 45, 117, and 225, and then there's this right here. So I gotta find that one now. If you notice, since I was already doing it once, I was already doing it, and then since there is a value near the previous value on my graph, it's actually will give me the same thing. So I don't actually have to do all of them every single time. So let's go back. My answers are going to be 45 degrees, 117,
225.
225, 297. But it said it's going to be in radian. So this is going to turn into, this is, I thought I did write this down. It said incorrect here.
Wait, yeah, you did now.
Pi over 4.
5 pi over
5 pi over 4?
4. Yeah.
Okay, that's that one.
Oh,
And this one's going to be like 13 pi,
over 20.
33? Or 21?
20.
20? Over 20?
Yeah.
Okay. And the other one's 33, right?
Yeah, 33 pi over.
Yeah, there we go. 33. I knew there's 33 in there. Okay. Now, right here. Blah, 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 blah. I showed you guys how to do it. There's all your answers. Find all solutions of this. Now, first thing I have to do. Let's go back to what I said. Can I do this problem as is?
No.
No. That's a good guess. There's 50-50 on that one, right?
It has to be equal to 0, right?
Excellent. Is that in your notes right now?
Yes. No, it's in my mind.
I'm worried that there's other people that think it's in their mind, but their mind is full of song lyrics and old memes. So instead of actually writing this down, because you're going to forget it, you're going to go home, smoke a whole bunch of crack, and then forget everything you actually learned today. So, in your notes, is it going to say this? Because there's certain people in here right now that's not writing this down, that's going to come to me a couple days from now and ask me to show them how to do this one problem right here in their homework because they didn't write it down. And I'm going to say, no.
Wait, would it be x degrees plus 3 degrees?
So it's going to be cotangent,
Yeah, cotangent.
x degrees like this, right? Open, cotangent, x degrees plus 3 equals. So it should look something like that, right?
Did you put all those parentheses there?
Because in my calculator, it has to be there. Because your calculator will automatically give you said parentheses. So I don't know if you guys are noticing this. Cotangent, when I hit cotangent, it opened up a parentheses. Parentheses, cotangent again. Look, it opened up some more parentheses. And that was plus 3?
Yes. Minus 1 actually.
There we go. Do I put equals 0?
No.
How many answers should I have?
2, 4.
Why do I say there's 4?
Because that's for the ones that only
So how many times does it cross the x-axis?
4 times.
So that you're writing down all these steps, right?
Yeah.
Anyone struggling?
No, I'm just having difficulties trying to grab this number.
I can't type it
My
in.
mind is like
Why is it?
Hey,
why do you think
do I type it in?
This guy right here. What's wrong with yours?
Oh, you gotta press that.
This one right here. What's wrong with your function?
The parentheses thing.
You're missing the parentheses around the cotangent plus 3.
Can you go to mine real quick and try to?
Hold on, I'm going.
Because I cannot grab it.
Bo. Same thing goes for yours.
Parentheses.
You gotta have the parentheses around the cotangent plus 3.
Make sure you get rid of the multiplication sign.
No, you just put have the parentheses there. This guy right here needs to log in.
Oh,
There you are. Okay, so what's wrong with yours?
I cannot grab it.
Okay, hit escape.
Escape.
Yep. There you go. So now, put your hand over it. See where your hand opens like that? Go to the left. Ah, right there. Now, hold down the center and drag it down. There you go.
Oh, you hold it.
Okay, make sense?
Yeah, that makes more sense. Thank you.
Okay, who else did we had? Who else was... This guy. What's wrong with yours?
What is the degrees?
There's not parentheses
You
around.
gotta change, make sure it's in
You gotta have parentheses
What about what happened to the one?
around your cotangent plus 3.
Whoa, I don't know.
And yours is fine, but you have to change your window.
Pacho, what did I do wrong?
Regina, you gotta change your window.
That's what Carol's doing.
Oh, he is? Okay. I just heard someone saying Pacho. Who was that?
Me. I don't know what's happening.
I don't have me in this class. She graduated last
Oh
year.
my God,
Who
it's
did you
happening.
like?
Oh, wait.
Oh, wait, what's
Mine
the
doesn't
window?
Still logged in.
This
To the
looks-
walls.
just
To
chilling.
the window.
Um,
Oh, mine is logged in.
What did I do?
Angel, I don't see you logged in. Look, you're not logged in, Angel, so I can't see yours.
What about Herman?
What about him?
I'm in Dallas class.
I don't know if I.
Oh my God, I did something wrong.
Well, then do it.
That's supposed to be found address. I feel like mine's wrong.
Where are we at? Herman. Okay, someone tell me what's wrong with Herman's.
His face.
Don't look at mine. You put the parentheses outside.
Okay, parentheses are messed up, right? So it's got to be outside the cotangent. So right here, it's got to have a parentheses here, right?
Okay.
And you have to close this one. See where your x degrees?
Yeah.
You have to close there.
And then leave them two by themselves.
And then, no. Because you opened one here, it's got to close this. Go up. So you need a open parentheses right here.
Right here.
Yes.
Alright.
You need a closed parentheses right here. And you need a closed parentheses after the 3.
Then get rid of the one in.
And hit enter. Oh, wait, you're right.
What happened?
Okay, so now. Okay, what else is wrong with Herman's?
It disappeared.
Change the window.
Wow.
Okay, who else?
Andres. Me.
Okay, let me see. I hear me and dress. What's wrong with yours?
I don't know.
Okay, now I want you to arrow up once. Arrow up once. So now let me see. Now your parentheses also is in the wrong place. Put this one at the end. Delete that one and put it right after the 3.
Wait, what is this supposed to look like?
Hit enter. There we go. Now it fixed it.
It still looks too off bad. Okay, thank you.
Is that fine?
Can you look at mine now?
Are you still looking at mine?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's not working.
I don't know.
Okay, hold on. Let me see.
I got it.
I keep on trying to put the parentheses around it, it's not working.
Angel. Okay, so let me see yours. Hey, look, you got it.
I did? Oh, I don't know. Oh.
Now you just have to menu
0 through 60.
Christopher.
Who is that?
Go to your graph.
How do I make the dot
Oh,
show?
did you say Christopher?
Yes.
Menu
Oh, you said Christian. Oh, you said Christopher.
I said Christopher.
I'm Christian.
I know.
Oh,
Then I'm not talking to you.
I'm sorry.
Hit tab. Hit tab. Let me make presenter. Now that's where you enter the function. Hit cotangent, x, and then degrees. Huh? Okay. So we're doing the from the notes. Okay. So you're plugging that in. All right, is everyone else good? Who said no? Me?
You gotta have it like that.
All right.
You gotta encircle the whole thing.
All right, play. Take a look right here. You got to have a parentheses here. Right here. Go over and parentheses right there. Right. Hit enter now. There you go. All right. I'm looking for you, Samaj. Samaj, yours look fine. What's wrong with yours, Samaj?
I don't know how to move it.
You're not moving anything.
Never mind.
So go find your points. How do you find those points? Go find the points.
How do I do that?
Huh?
How do I do that?
What did I say to do? Write them down. Did you write them down?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. All right. Who's the other person? Astradas. What's your window got to be, Astradas?
0 to 360.
0 to 360. And now you got the wrong function in there also.
I should do a bathroom for him.
Finish your thing first.
Yeah, I need to. Nice argument settings.
Okay. All right. Can someone help him though? I got to get to the next problem.
Did you die again?
73.2.
163.
163.
253. 343. The one that rings Halo.
That's 343.
343.
Yeah. Oh, it's an 1440. You got one.
Huh?
You got one.
Forgot one?
No. No, you didn't.
Easy?
Yeah.
Yours is like that because you didn't redo the zero. Oh, that's not good.
Now, right here it says final solutions, all solutions. So what does the all solutions mean?
Tangent, cotangent, sine, cosine.
Okay, that's going to be what types of problems?
Not all problems.
Co-terminal. So each one of those answers is going to be plus N360, right?
Yeah.
And then you would have to convert it. Now, here's another problem. This one right here. Before I can do this problem, what do I got to do first? So don't worry about this. What do I do?
Make it equal.
Okay, let's do that.
So you just need to seek it over?
Yep.
Oh, okay. So do you minus seek it? Alright.
You got that second my head.
What does this right here imply to? That means your answer has to be in. So when you're done, your answer has to be in. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Start plugging them in.
Plugging them in. Plug 'em in.
I'm gonna do it. I can do it.
How do we clear the calculator again?
Hmm?
How do we clear the calculator?
Do you want to clear everything or just that one? You want to clear everything or just that one?
Just that one.
Okay, so you hit tab to bring up this, and then you arrow up, and then you delete the line that's already in there. Tan plus rad 3 minus secant.
I'm not thinking.
How many answers do I have here?
One.
What does my answer got to look like?
So it is.
There's two though. What are you talking about?
It's 7 pi over 6. Yeah.
I don't think mine's correct. Oh my god, I'm so
Oh, actually, it should be a plus here. That's why. Let's see. Tab. I made a mistake. This should be a plus sign.
You put a minus.
It was 210 degrees.
Yeah, you put
Mine's
a minus.
right, mine's right though.
It should be 330.
Oh.
Yeah, it's 330. Yeah.
Because it should be plus. I wrote a minus instead.
It's a plus right
I wrote
here.
a minus 2.
Right here.
So, let me...
You on the right one?
Oh, yeah, I think I do.
So like, I
Pretty good.
So, 330 degrees? Right?
11 pi over 6.
And so what is 330?
11 pi over 6. You gotta get faster, mister. You can leave these people behind. They're not paying attention anyways. I'm trying to game,
Not pi. Mine, that's right.
It's pretty soon.
Hey! This person! Still on the previous problem. This person! You fixing it?
Yeah, it's. Wait.
Still fixing it? This guy, still never logged in.
It's in like 3 weeks.
This guy.
What happened to my thing?
Bo, what's wrong with your window?
It's not right.
No, it's bang.
Fix your window. Should change your window 0 to 360. Everything else is right. Don't have anything there. Christian, you still got the minus sign.
Yeah, Naira told me it's plus.
Okay.
Oh wait, I didn't. I just liked it though. Don't worry.
I'm gonna become so good at that voice that I can take over this whole YouTube channel.
Yeah, go ahead.
Dude, it sounds like he's got his nose like I'm perfect.